Hey everybody, Christopher Reacts here, Aquascapes of Michiana. What is going on? Well, hey, you can kind of see that there's a waterfall right behind me that isn't running. Well, I am here in Illinois and I am working with the living legend. We are going to put in a new pump vault for Fona International. Fona International makes all of the flavorings for Starbucks and different soda, soft drinks and things like that. All the concentrated flavorings that go in your foods and drinks and stuff like that. That is these guys. So we have a working waterfall over yonder with a big pump vault, and then it pumps 600 feet all the way over to this one behind me. Let me turn around again. This one behind me right here, bow, 600 feet. That's a lot of friction loss. It's a lot. These things are huge pumps. And so what we're actually going to do is because it hasn't been working the past couple of years because of breakdowns, the plumbing's broken, maintenance issues, things like that. We're actually installing a new pump vault and we're going to replumb this waterfall right here. So stay tuned. This is going to be awesome, exciting, and go. Right there. So Adam, there's your son right there pulling cattails again. It's just like clean out season, isn't it, Aiden? Just like clean out season, isn't it? Yeah, exactly. So what we're doing right now is we're getting all the dead fish, the cattails, all the trash. The wind comes this way right to this corner and we're getting everything cleaned up before we're waiting on our machine to get here. We're getting a Cat 308. So thank you to Caterpillar, our CAC partners in crime. And we're just waiting on that machine to get here. And then we're gonna go ahead and start digging and excavating and getting everything set and prepped for our concrete vault to come in. So, stay tuned.
So we marked this at 9 by 9. So we got a foot overhang all the way around. Alright? It's fencing. Yeah.
I got that on this camera too.
Is that one still running?
Yep.
Okay, I wasn't sure the battery died yet.
He stepped into poop again. Poop again.
He called the shit poop.
I am sitting in a 17,000 pound machine, also known as the Cat 308. Absolutely love this thing. And we are getting this basin dug right now, and we are just tearing it up. We just got done with lunch. You hear me powering this thing up right here. I'm gonna go ahead and spin this around and kind of show you guys what we've been getting done this morning. As you can see, we got right by the power, we got our trench for our plumbing set over here. I'm about to hit Damien right in the head with this bucket. That's Damien Drager from 4D Exterior Escapes right there. What up? But yep, this is our trench right here. We're gonna get this all dug out. So right here, actually an intake, like I showed you guys over on the other side, is going in here. So we kind of blocked off everything so that way we don't get water coming in, you know, flooding this whole area, so we can get our intake in. And then, well, it's a concrete vault basically. So we're getting our concrete vault in here, and then we'll break that, and then we'll connect right out here. So we've actually dug about 4 foot down through the sediment and the muck and everything that's out there. And we're gonna flow all this water into here to then, turn you guys around here, go over there to where that waterfall is. I don't know exactly what our flow rate's going to be. That's kind of an Ed question. I'm just the guy in the machine right now, but I'm gonna get back to work so we can square this off, and I'll show you guys what it looks like here in a minute. See ya. Hey, what's going on, guys? Oop, better light this way. There we go. Aiden's behind me right there. Hey, Aiden, what's going on, bud? Hey, guys, we are done with day number 1 here at FONA International. We got the basin dug. We got the pipe replaced. I almost sank the excavator a couple times into the pond. It was great stuff. Yeah. So let me go ahead and show you guys what we got done. Yeah, I personally dug this hole with that beauty of a machine right there. So some of my best work. But yeah, we dug our hole here, so we're all set. We got a trench laid out in the water right out there going out that way. We kind of left that berm right there so we can install everything in here, and then we'll break that berm after we get everything installed there, and we will have our concrete intake vault system. So then we also went ahead and dug as far as we could, because I had to get the excavator through this area right here. So we got our 6-inch pipe coming in. Oh, dug this out with the bucket. Coming up here, we're going to restack this area right here. Aiden falling and stuff. So coming up here, this is where the water is going to exit out. Coming out over to here, and then we've got our big waterfall right there. Stay tuned, guys. Had a full day's worth of work. We are going to go to Aqualand, go check out the fishes and the koi's and all the other things and all those kinds of stuff, and show Aiden what Aqualand's all about. Oh, excuse me. And then I'm gonna go over to Mr. Ed Ballew's farm. I gotta go check that out, because I'm a farm boy myself. So, see you guys later. Watch out for day 2. Bye.